Look up at it. Oh my God!
A destructive wave of severe storms and tornadoes swept across central Illinois on the evening of June 17, 2026, leaving a trail of wreckage and widespread power outages.
Just completely destroyed that thing, that barn!
The National Weather Service designated the storm system a particularly dangerous situation, bringing massive hail and multiple confirmed twisters to the region. In Charleston, a large tornado touched down around 6:40 p.m., causing severe structural damage to the local Walmart and ripping apart roofs, mature trees, and power lines.
Violent, strong tornado. Power lines down. Oh my God!
Look at it! Go! Oh my gosh! Wow! Let's go! Here's the puppet!
Yep, I've got visual of it right now. Wow. This thing's gonna slide just south of some Melrose here. Close range as well.
Heavy debris blocked major roads, prompting local officials to declare a state of emergency. Consequently, the school district canceled all summer classes and student meal services for Thursday.
Look at that.
He's going right through it!
Oh, no.
Power lines coming down.
No.
Oh, ripping it up.
Roughly an hour later, another tornado traveled up to 15 miles across northern Effingham County. While the city of Effingham avoided a direct hit, neighboring areas like Shumway and Teutopolis suffered extensive damage to homes, businesses, and farms.
It's going across right in front of us. So, Bree, what's going to happen is it's going to be scary, but it's not going to hit us. The RFT. It's just going to be RFT.
First responders scrambled into the night to handle collapsed structures and downed utility poles. Remarkably, officials report several minor injuries, but no fatalities from the event. Emergency crews are currently assessing the full scale of destruction under a newly declared county disaster declaration designed to expedite critical recovery resources.
We're good. We're good. Very close range. We're stopping here. hear it.